and Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for eastern Lee County in southwestern Florida until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Naples Park, near Bonita Springs, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bonita Springs, North Naples, Lovers Key State Park, and San Carlos Park around 11:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Three Oaks around noon Eastern Daylight Time. Villas and Cypress Lake around 12:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Southwest Florida Airport around 12:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tice, Whiskey Creek, Page Park, Estero, Page Field Airport, Gateway, Fort Myers Villas, and North Fort Myers. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lee, Florida,